So PDF Annotator tool, let's talk about what that PDF Annotator tool is. It's a PDF Annotator tool that allows you to annotate, markup, redline, drawings, PDF documents, photographs, anything that's a PDF file that can be added to Acumatica as a document. You can quickly and easily annotate or mark up those PDFs in the system. It works with the doc management functionality within the Acumatica system, wherever you may have a PDF file added to the document as a record. You can add notes, you can add annotations to any PDF document, save them in the original file, make a copy of the file. You can then distribute that annotation or that new document out as well. And of course, if you do make changes, you can restore the annotations to the original document at any time. So you've got lots of options with what you can do with this new tool. Any PDF document, even photos and drawings like blueprints or plans related to the construction edition, can be annotated. So your internal and external teams can all be notified of those annotations. You could set up a business event or an alert that happened when something gets annotated. If you want certain people to be notified, you can share them with your coworkers. You could email them to a client or a partner, or even back to the original author if you're mocking up or editing a document, for example. And then annotations can be removed very easily with a single click. So we're going to take a look at that here. So different applicable scenarios. These are just examples. There's many more, which you can see the bottom bullet point there. But the ability to comment on a document, the ability to fill in or sign an agreement, return it by email. You need to proofread, review, or correct a document right in Acumatica. You can now do that. You want to make notes or drawings or redline on certain pages of a PDF. So perhaps it's a set of blueprints, or it's a sales order, or it's a service order. You have the ability to modify those documents, invoices, purchase orders, subcontracts, whatever those PDF docs might be. The ability to illustrate your ideas and suggestions, make changes, highlight, comments, sticky notes, and we'll jump in and take a look at all those things you can do. Last thing there, the ability, like I said earlier, to redline a set of blueprints for the subcontractor or for the crew that's out in the field. And of course, there are many more. So bear with me a second while I pull that up. And you should now be seeing an Acumatica screen on your side. And in this particular instance, I'm on a project tab, and we're going to take a look at a couple of different options here. Excuse me, but if you look over on the right-hand side of this project, we can see that we've got 4 files attached, and those might be PDFs. They might be different types of files. As you know, you can attach multiple file types to Acumatica. But if any of those are PDF files, we now have this PDF Annotator side panel that's automatically going to pop up once you have it installed. So all I need to do is click on that PDF file icon there, and now it's pulling up the PDFs that I have on this particular project. And if I come up here to where it says select file, I can pull down and see all of the different PDF files that we've added to this particular project. So I just clicked on the A1 commercial plans, and this is a full set of blueprints that we have on this particular project. And you can see here that there already have been some annotations made on this particular PDF, on this particular set of plans. And one of the nice things is now I can see what date and what happened, what action occurred when Maxwell Baker logged in and added a shape, or he added or she added a note that says we need to see the PM on this particular item. And I can highlight that comment there, and you'll notice now it's automatically highlighted right in the document itself. So it's a nice audit trail and history of any annotations that are made on the document. And each shape or each highlight or each comment or each text box that gets added automatically gets added here to the comment section. And I can close this, so I'm just seeing the PDF now. And if I need to make additional annotations, I can certainly do that. I can see I've got a sticky note here. So if I pop that open, And it's just a quick note, add whatever notes we want, right? This is just an example there. But one thing I want to point out now, you'll notice that when I clicked on that annotation, I can change the color scheme of that sticky note. I could delete that sticky note. I could make changes. Again, I want that nice purple color on my sticky notes. I can have that, perhaps those colors represent a certain level of information or a certain task that needs to be performed. We've already seen customers start to utilize those color schemes for action items on their annotations. So let's close that up here. Up here on the right-hand side, top right, these are all of the annotation tools that you can utilize. So I'm going to hover over each one of these. This one allows me to add a text comment to a document. This one here is that sticky note. So if I want to add a sticky note onto this plan, I can just click in that field, and now you'll notice it's automatically opened my comment box. And if I need to say, see architect on this, change. All right, I go ahead and made that change. I can go ahead and post it. Now that automatically has been added. That sticky note is live on this PDF file. If I want to save it, I can go ahead and save it, or I can continue making edits. If I need to highlight something on this document, I can click on the highlighter tool and then drag the cursor to select an item or highlight that item right on the fly in the system. If I need to use a drawing tool or I need to sign something, I can utilize the drawing tool and come in here and annotate, mark up, underline, cross out, whatever I need to do. And each one of those, you'll notice it's automatically adding that annotation to the document. So I get that audit trail or history. When I go ahead and click save there, it's now saved all of those annotations. They're live on this PDF document. Anytime someone accesses this file, they're able to come in and see, or accesses this project, I should say, they're able to come in and see exactly what annotations have been made to what documents. If I come over here to the ellipsis here, this is where I can download a PDF with the annotations. I can print that PDF with the annotations. This is legal notices from Adobe there. But you have options with things that you can do with these documents once you've gotten them marked up. Let's pop into this other document here where I just added a data sheet to the project. It's going to open up that data sheet for us. We have the ability to not only annotate and mark up documents, but we can also come in. You can see that some annotations have been made on this already. But one of the things I want to do, which is a pretty cool feature, is the ability to find something in a document. So if I click on that hourglass there, I can come in here and let's say I'm looking for a particular word or phrase. I'm looking for the word complete. So I'm just going to hit enter. And you'll notice now it found 4 different places where that word or phrase appears in the document. So you can see it's highlighted here orange for me, and I can use my arrows, take me to the next one. So it found it again underneath key benefits. Take me to the next one. It's taken me to the 3rd page here, showing me again where that exists. And it's also got it highlighted in yellow. But I can use the arrows to navigate there, or I can click on each one. And if I need to make changes to that line, I can make changes to that annotation using the other text tools, highlight tools, sticky note tools that we have built right into the system. So lots of things that you can do from an annotation perspective with this new tool. Our customers are loving this. I know from a construction perspective, which is my focus, the ability to mark up and redline plans or drawings or specifications attached to a project has been a massive request. So now that we have that capability, we've got our customers and prospects that are really excited about this PDF annotator tool.